Hey, how's it going? Thanks for hitting play on my video. Because apparently you're looking for stepping stones, and that's what this video is about. Stepping stones, like for a pathway, a walkway outside. So I'm currently in Houston, Texas right now, my hometown. So the weather, like I do lawn care. That's what my channel is about, lawn care. And I'm stationed in North Carolina. I'm still in the military right now. I'm out here visiting for the holidays. So every time I come out here, I like to help my dad and my mom out with some like home improvement, anything around the house. I went outside and hey Dad, you got some stepping stones out here, you know what I mean? He goes, yeah, son, I do, but he needs some kind of modification to it. Let me show you. So right here, a previous landscaper came out and they just put stepping stones over here, some pavers. All right, and what happened was that one's broke. I don't know how that happened. So, and they also have these over here. Okay, so this whole one, for 1, 2, 3, all the way down. Actually, it's 4 rows. All the way down, those 4 rows right there, they're over here. Okay, they're right there connected to right there. So that way you could walk from here to there. All right. Okay. So, but the problem was that the water coming from the drainage right here. Okay, that was blocking the water from going out that way, shooting out that way. All right, and so the water was getting backed up all the way to the porch. All right, so I was like, hey Dad, well, why don't we just use those stepping stones that y'all got in the front? Let me show you. So, and this is real easy, y'all. You just like put them on the ground. So these right here, right, they have all the way around the house. Going out like that. Okay. So that's what he did. He went ahead and purchased them from Home Depot. We got 12 of them. And the good thing about it is that you can always like adjust them, like move them around. Like if you want them a certain way, you can just like adjust them, like an inch or by a foot, or just move them around. So these are right here, y'all. So we're gonna put those over there. All right. When I'm done with it, I'm gonna have them come out and ask them, hey, this is how you want it. If he wants to move it around, then we'll just move it around. All right. So let me go and get to it. Hey, like I said before, safety's priority. All right, for lawn care, I always tell y'all, eye pro and ear pro. For this, you want to bend with your knees, not with your back. These stepping stones weigh like between 25 to 35 pounds each. All right, so just be careful. Bend with the knees, not with your back. Alright, so there you go, y'all. So this is an easy job right here. I asked them if you wanted me to dig in the ground and make it even with the ground, the stepping stones. You know, that way like the guy could like just run over him with his mower. But he's not worried about that because he says that his Lawncare guy could just string trim all this right here. Alright. So usually what people do, they put gravel or sand so that it could so you see how it's like this they kind of wobble a little bit still. I was getting dirt from the ground right here to try to make it try to balance it, but we get a lot of rain over here in Houston, so we're just gonna see what happens with the rain, see if it settles it, see if the stepping stones will settle in with the ground as time goes. All right, so it's real easy, y'all. So like if so the main purpose of this right here, instead of using these bricks these bricks as a pathway over here, was because all this water from right here wasn't getting over there. But now the water could just go right through all these stepping stones right here. Okay, so that way it won't flood back there in the porch area. All right. So these are regular square stepping stones right here. I didn't put these in here. Yeah, like his Lawncare guy does it. All right. If I was living here in Houston, I'll be my parents' Lawncare guy, but I'll do it for free. You know what I mean? Because that's what kids are supposed to do. They're supposed to be doing their parents' rush for free. But unfortunately, I'm still away right now, active duty in the Marine Corps. But so these are those stepping stones that we just used. All right, so his Lawncare guy or whoever put these in, they just spaced them right here so that way they could easily bring the string trimmer right between them. All right, like if you're not gonna level them with the ground, you should at least like space them so the string trimmer could go right between them. So I'll ask my dad if he wants me to do that to space these stepping stones over here. All right, y'all, hope this video was very helpful to you. If you're thinking about putting in stepping stones, well, this is how you do it. Once again, I didn't use gravel, I didn't use sand to level it. Okay, I just put them on there, and as rain comes, the ground gets pretty muddy. That's why he wants them right there, because the ground gets pretty muddy, because they have to go in that fence sometimes that I showed you. All right, it gets real muddy, so that's why he wants stepping stones right there. All right, these because that way water could just flow right through there instead of like backing up to his porch. All right, other than that, please hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And if you definitely found this video helpful, please hit like. Thank you. Bye. See you on the next video.